It is still you versus us.
But can't you understand that we have our own history, our own culture, our own language, our own religion?
From your perspective, Mr. Fissachi.
No.
And it's a very narrow perspective. That's the most unfortunate part of this.
It's not a perspective, it's a real fact.
Do you care about the starving millions of African people in this country?
I care
more. Do you care about the farm workers who are being oppressed in this country? Do you care about the fact...
Don't interrupt me. Thank you. Bye. Take where the shit. Bye.
Okay.
And you won't dare,
Mr. Fissachi.
you won't dare interrupting me once more. Take away this man.
Thank you very much. Touch me, and you'll be in trouble. Touch me on my studio.
You touched me.
Touch me on my studio. Touch me on my studio.
You touched me.
And
take away his arm.
Touch me on my studio.
Take away his arm from
touch me on my studio. Touch me on my studio.
I touch you on your studio.
Touch me on my studio.
I touch you on your studio.
You don't do that.
Don't touch me.
Wait. Let's just go out.
Yeah, let's go.
I am not finished with you.
Mr. Fissachi, stop threatening this woman, Mr. Fissachi. I'm telling you, stop it now. Would you stop it now, Mr. Fissachi?
I won't stop it. You try to stop me.
Mr. Fissachi, why are you threatening this poor woman? What has she done to you? She's expressing her views.
She's talking about the capitalist whites. Why do you think then she is poor?
Sorry, call security for me, please. Immediately.